Hi, my name is Vikan Ohanessian. I'm the president of Boss Tiny House, and today I want to share with you what our built-on-site tiny house system is all about. The system is designed to be built on site as opposed to be shipped completely assembled and craned in or trucked in. The concept here is to have you have the ability to either build it yourself to save a lot of money or use one of our authorized builders to build it on site for you on your location without having to bring in heavy cranes, big trucks carrying big houses, and of course all the costs associated with that. By doing a built on site system, it makes it easy for us to ship the product to you and then for it to get assembled on site. We also offer our tiny houses with trailers. In case you don't want it to permanently sit as an ADU in your backyard or in the side of the house, it's available as a trailer. So let's take a tour today and take a look at our tiny house. You will see that the exterior walls are covered with siding. The basic version of our tiny house is with a steel exterior. It's a galvanized steel which is very weatherable and strong, and it's an insulated wall system. What we've done here is we've put vinyl siding on top of it in gray and in green so that you can have an idea of what the various siding options will look like. Here's two colors, and then we have a whole range of colors on our website. You'll also see the three beautiful windows. And now let's take a walk inside of our tiny house. All right. Welcome to our Boss Tiny House. This is our living space. You can see the table for breakfast, and then you can see a little kitchenette for cooking and a sink for your lifestyle needs. This tiny house is designed with our very solid, strong Boss walls. If you take a look at this on the inside, it's a nice, it has a nice drywall, painted finish, soft to the touch. But if you hit it, it's rock solid because the backing is steel and polyurethane. And that gives you a very strong structure that cannot be punched into or broken like drywall would. And the polyurethane material that we're using inside of the steel sheets is the highest insulated. It has an R7 per inch U-value rating. So that's how the walls are made. If you take a look at the windows, windows are operable, lockable. We have three of them to give you plenty of light. In fact, let's turn on some of the lights in here. It's a little dark. There we go. Those are our overhead lights. If you notice, as you're looking up to the lighting, the roof has no internal steel or structure visible. Everything is clear. It's a high vaulted ceiling, giving you big breathing space and comfortable living. The steel structure is in the roof, embedded inside, and that's where you get the very strong snow load rating of 30 pounds a square foot. If you take your attention towards the bed and the upper loft, you can see that the loft has a track so that we have stairs that are movable, and you can actually move them on the track left and right. Right there. You can see that. And you can climb up the stairs, and we can put a protective railing. They're very available, whatever style you want. You can get those and put those up. And let's take a walk now into the bathroom. Here's our bathroom. You can see we have a shower, spacious, comfortable shower. We have a sink, mirror with ventilation, great lighting, And here is the toilet. You have a toilet, and right over the toilet is your breaker box. We have all the different breakers for the lights and the outlets and so on, and the kitchen cooker and washer. So that's our bathroom. Let me turn off the lights here. Next is our utility room. And this is one of my favorite spots. You can store your brooms and shovels and everything else that you want. But most importantly, we've designed this to have a breaker and all the electrical connections all visible and easily workable. So you have access to them anytime you want. Likewise, we have all the plumbing and the pipes that we're using are PEX pipes, very durable. They'll last for a very long time and easy to. We'll organize everything for you. We're happy to help you. Please visit our website. Give us a call. We have people in your area that may be able to help install it for you, or you can install it yourself. We have all the instructions online, the step-by-step installation manuals, and a video that shows you really how easy it is to assemble this. And as far as the electrical work and the plumbing work, if you don't want to do that yourself, easy enough to call an electrician and a plumber to do those hookups for you. Everything is pre-cut, pre-routed, pre-done, and we supply that to you from the factory. So thank you very much for watching this today, and if you have any questions, we're here for you.